The Grand Jamia Masjid is a proud identity of Bahria Town Lahore, and symbolizes Pakistan throughout the Islamic world. Truly a masterpiece. The mosque's interior is absolutely magnificent, with breathtaking views representing the fusion of traditional Islamic architecture with Pakistani culture. The carpet has been custom-made and imported from Turkey. There are over 50 luminous Persian chandeliers, creating a vibrant Islamic ambience. The structure comprises 4 minarets, each standing tall at 165 feet, and a grand dome in the center, which is surrounded by 20 smaller domes. The most fascinating feature about this masterpiece is that the exterior consists of 4 million, 2.5-inch handmade Multani tiles made from special Multani mitti, and hand-placed by the craftsmen. Placing these tiles alone took 4 years to complete. The total capacity of this magnificent piece of Islamic architecture is 70,000, making it the world's 7th largest masjid. It has an indoor capacity of 25,000, labeling it Pakistan's largest masjid. There are dedicated praying areas for women, a school, and an Islamic art gallery.